Let's be real. When you clicked on this video, you might have been feeling insecure. And no, this is not a video saying you should accept yourself, you should accept your flaws. No, I made this video specifically to teach you guys how to get rid of these problems. I was once in this position before, desperate, looking for the answers. Well, I have solved this problem by doing various routines. And no, you do not need expensive skincare or maybe surgery. No, you just need a simple tool, which I'm going to say. So, with that out of the way, let me get straight into the video. Here is a picture of me back in the day, a couple years back. As you can see, I had visible scarring, some acne. Well, I was honestly very sad at this point in my life. I thought that how can I, because how can the people around me have clear skin, but somehow I got cursed with this, well, craters, acne, etc. So I decided to take action. And here are the results from what I did. Well, as you can see, my skin cleared up better. I lost the acne. Everything seemed good. Well, I still am on this journey just like you. I still do have a bit of scars, but it has cleared up, as you can see in these photos. So, how do you get that? Well, I'm not gonna beat around the bush and dance around the answer. I'm gonna tell you. First, in order to get rid of both of them, you have to tackle one of them first. And the best thing to start off with is your acne. Now, when you go through puberty, acne is very common, but mainly caused, well, okay, sorry, excuse me, sorry. Let me say it like this. When you realize that some people have clear skin even during puberty, and some people do have acne. Well, there's a reason for that. It all comes down to your habits in life. Your habits. What do you eat? What do you drink? How do you sleep? Do you have a skincare routine? Are you taking care of yourself? If you have acne as a teenager, obviously it can be hormonal, nothing wrong with that, but let's start with what you're eating. When you're eating, you shouldn't be eating any junk food. First of all, it's even going to mess up your puberty and your hormones. You should be eating healthy food, food that will increase your hormones, will contribute to your growth as a child. A lot of people will eat and drink Coke, um, McDonald's, and then complain that they um, have acne, and also maybe feel very insecure about themselves. Well, let me tell you a story. So, most people, um, some people that I still see in school after COVID will still wear a mask because they're insecure. So, this is the first step is to to focus on improving your eating habits. Now, when you do this, you will see a change, guaranteed. Trust. I've seen a change. I used to be eating bad stuff. Now I'm focusing on my diet, and as you can see, the results speak for themselves. The second thing is you want to get a spray bottle, put some sea salt inside it, sea salt that you buy in the store, not normal salt. put water and shake it, and then you spread it on your face in the morning and the night. This will kill all the germs, will help you, will help battle, it will fight off your acne because it is clearing your skin. Obviously, you also have to be washing your face in the morning and use a moisturizer, have a skincare routine. Cleanse your face, put a moisturizer twice a day in the morning and the night before you sleep. So, those are two things that will definitely, definitely help you get rid of your acne fast. Get rid of it within a week, with 7 days or 2 weeks. Some of you might take longer, but if you trust the process and don't give up, then you will see the results. Like I said, it will speak for themselves. It will speak for itself. Now, once you're done with, once you've finished, you don't have acne anymore. Obviously, some of you will be left with scars. Now, the way I dealt with it, simple. Obviously I had to do a lot of research into this, and my scars were bad. If you saw, as you can see in the photo. So what you need to do is get, and listen closely, get a 0.50 millimeter needle derma roller. Now, what is a derma roller? A derma roller will puncture your skin and create micro fractures, micro needling. You micro needle your face, which will cause your face to boost collagen to regenerate its cells, which is gonna make your skin, well, nice and new. You have to, but this is a pretty long process. You have to really be patient, and you need a vitamin C serum, which you can get in the pharmacies. So I'm gonna put you on my routine that I do, and you can follow it. Because obviously I more experienced than you, and if you want to do your own thing and you don't see results, you can't come crying to me and asking me, "Oh, how did it go wrong?" Follow my routine. But if I'm not a professional, your skin is your skin. You can always ask a dermatologist or the or the internet, like AI, but how to go about it properly. But you can all follow this routine. So first you're gonna get your derma roller. If it's new, you can rinse it. But after the first day of using it, you have to, before you start your routine, you have to get a small container, very small container, we can fit it inside, and buy hydrogen peroxide. That will help you sanitize your derma roller, and preferably alcohol. I don't know what it's called, but you can use hydrogen peroxide for now. You can get alcohol. Actually, no, sorry. You can get hydrogen peroxide, put it inside to cover the derma roll's head, and leave it there for 10 minutes inside the container, a small container, so you don't waste hydrogen peroxide. You're only supposed to finish using it in 3 uses for the hydrogen peroxide. So you put it inside and you leave it there for 10 minutes, take it out, and rinse your derma roller thoroughly for maybe like 10 to for like 3 5 minutes. Rinse it thoroughly, get all the hydrogen peroxide off, and you're ready to use. And then lay it down to dry, and after you do that, wash your face with water and soap, and then you're gonna set a timer for 2 minutes. So when now you're gonna take your derma roller and roll your face gently on each side, on the first side for 2 minutes, gently, like Don't put any force, just roll it gently and slowly. And then you do it on all the sides that have acne, on your nose, your cheeks, maybe your forehead, for 2 minutes lightly. Don't overdo it, because if you put too much force, your skin is going to end up becoming black, and because of the excess collagen production. So after that, you're finished. You put it back in the case, and you take your vitamin C serum, and you you put like 5 to 7 drops on your hand, and smear it over your face to end it. That will help you brighten your skin, and support the collagen production to help your skin recover. And you're only gonna do this twice per week, or you can do it. I do it 3 times a week. You can do it 3 times per week. Alternate days: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, like that, going in that formation. Like, I'm not saying do it three, one day, leave one day, one day, leave one day, one day, leave 2 days, restart. So, and then that is your routine done. You keep doing it for months, you will see results like I did. So, after that, you're done, you can thank me in the comments after like a year, or like a few months, like 6 months. You should be seeing results in about a few. I'm gonna be very dead honest with you. You're gonna be seeing results in 6 months plus. Maybe you'll see a few changes in a week or year, and you can thank me later. I'm putting you guys on the routine. I'm not gatekeeping anything, and yeah. After that, you always want to be consistent on your routine after everything, after your skin is cleared up, after everything is okay. So hear me tell you some do nots to do things that you don't do. So you don't derma roll when you have acne. Don't derma roll, at least don't derma roll on the acne. When you have acne, it's better to wait for it to fade, to go away first to derma roll. Otherwise, you're gonna end up spreading. You're gonna end up damaging your skin and spreading all acne to make it even worse. So, and second of all, always get good sleep. If you don't get good sleep, how are you going to recover? Your skin heals when you sleep. That's the whole process. That's your whole routine. The last thing to end it off is sleep. It's better to do it at night, because and also don't sleep on your back. Try not to sleep on your sides after you did it. But if you are a side sleeper, try not to try to wash your pillowcases weekly, or maybe once in 2 weeks, to keep it clean, so you don't end up putting bacteria inside your open pores that you already created from the derma rolling. So, and also, it's important to go in the sun for maybe like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It will help you for your skin with the vitamin D. And yeah, thank me later. If you watch this whole video, then you won't make any mistake. It's very unlikely that you'll make a mistake. So if you didn't watch till the end, then you're gonna have a bit of problems, because you won't really know all the information, and you're gonna make a lot of mistakes and blame me for it. Like, I don't think that's a good idea. I gave you everything. I may think of something else. What else can I tell you guys? Um, Well, okay, I can't think of anything. Well, that I put you guys on the routine. It's better that you watch this whole video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.